Well, hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Press that little button down in the corner right there. Go ahead and press it. You took time to watch it, so go ahead on and press that button so you won't miss a thing. So, I'm coming with another wig review. Let's talk about Chantel. Ladies, this is Chantel. Look at her. Wavy. Look at that. This is, did you see it? I mean, bouncing all over the place, okay? This is so cute and sassy. Are you looking for a cute and sassy? Show the length because I know, I'm a long wearing hair girl. I saw this and I was like, that's cute. So let's get into it. This unit right here, this is by Outre. Okay, Outre. It's a quick weave, ECO wig, to look a quick weave. If you had a quick weave, everybody know what one is. Come on, look at this. Okay, so of course, ladies, looking at the picture, you can see, I had to get here and twerk it. I bought it at my local beauty store. I was like, I can do something with that. I washed it. I took in, I curled it. Well, I curled it to this side because, of course, the wave's already in it, because it's a yaki texture. Synthetic. It can be curled up to 400 degrees. You can twerk it. I shaved it down some because it's a little big back here. I shaved it down, cut for some little hairs right here. Because, of course, this is a full cap. There's no parting. It's what they a quick weave, just like they call it. It's realistic looking. It's realistic looking. Someone would actually think you had a quick weave if you told them that versus a wig. The texture is very soft. There's not any shedding. The strands that are flying about, right now, you can always take and, put your spray on it to hold them down. But like I said, I wanted to come by and show off Chantel. This mint green. I don't know if you can see this. This mint green. This is beautiful. This is truly beautiful. It's more, for me, it's a more, pop out the box and go type of wig. Not that much maintenance for it. Like I said, it can be curled up to 400 degrees. A quick weave, no parting. This really looks realistic, okay, really. I wear a lot of wigs, and I told them that's why I said, this is a quick weave. Like, what? You got a who? You wear wig. I'm like, no, it's called a quick weave wig. But even though I bought it at my local beauty store, I'm going to leave descriptions down in the box where you can order it from, different sites and everything. But like I said, you're looking for something cute and sassy. Pop out the box. Go. Okay. This is it. This is it. And this is a beautiful color. Like, it's a mint green. But like I said, the color is MGR, so don't go looking for no mint green, ladies. Look for it. It's in MGR. Outre. I mean, you're doing your thing with the full caps, the quick weave wigs. Thumbs up. Okay? Thumbs up. Ladies, if this is you or something you think you want to twerk, make it the way you want it to, because I have to slay everything, ladies. I have to slay. I have to slay. You want to slay the quick weave, an ultras, get it, boo. Get it. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Bye, ladies.